Welcome back, beautiful people. I am at my sister's house, and ooh, look how cute. I came here to get some of my grow bags, and simply because I'm about to take the, oh, Jesus Christ. It was a lizard. Anyways, I'm about to take the soil from my house that are in those raised beds and put them into the grow bags, these grow bags right here. Because I gotta use my other hand. I'm about to put them into these grow bags. Oh, Lord Jesus. I'm about to put them into these grow bags because I was gonna put it, grief, come on, what is wrong? There we go. So I was going to put them in the, I was just gonna bring the raised beds over. And I was like, oh, that's gonna be too heavy. Then I was gonna put them in like these black buckets that you guys know I have around here. I was gonna put it in that. But then I was like, that's gonna be super heavy. So I'm about to just do individual grow bags and put them in like that. But before I go back home, I'm gonna show you guys what the garden is looking like. And I'm also going to actually come back and, oh, yay, awesome, okay. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm looking at. So I said, ooh, yay, because yay, they're starting to dry out. So I am going to do the rest just like that. You guys, it is so cold. It is so cold. But look at these cute little squash. Not them fused together. That's very interesting. Interesting, they're fused together. That is so awesome. And I'm gonna still eat it. Tomato getting bigger. Oh, a little cutesy. See that zucchini. Zucchini looking good. Okay, come through, zucchini. Later today, we do have somewhere to go, but later today I am going to actually look at the leaves if I have to do it today, because tomorrow and the rest of the week we're going to be getting a lot of rain. So yeah, so I have to look at all of them later. Yippee. I'm gonna up pot these stuff into the soil that I'm gonna get from my house. Oh, look at that squash, baby. That squash is like, I know I said I've been saying it, I hate the way these feel. I've been saying it in each video, that is just simply amazing. Look at that. That is just like simply amazing. What was that? Yeah, scary. Anyways, the door just like closed on its own. But yeah, this is so awesome. There was one squash that I wanted to take off. Oh my God, it is humongous. It is so awesome. I like growing stuff when it actually grows, because I know last year I was like, I'm done. I'm done. But yeah, I'm gonna pull all of these off later today, and I am going to up pot the ones that I have not up potted yet. I know I'm horrible. I'm a horrible person. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. And I'm also gonna do these. I think I'm gonna put these on a different what is going on? I hate being back here. It always scares me back here, all these noises. But anyways, I'm gonna put these on like the different tray, the smaller tray, like the lower one right here, and put it on that versus the kale the collards being on the top one. So yeah, what is this? Potatoes farm. Look at my lettuce. Oh yeah. I forgot I planted romaine and black seeded lettuce. I totally forgot I planted romaine lettuce. I thought they were all black seeded lettuce. Okay, come through. One thing of grapes. One cluster of grapes. Like literally. That's because I need to up pot this. But I'm still waiting for my husband to put the one thing together. Yeah, but everything is looking so awesome. I think I will be picking this one today. I feel like it's ready. Like, how do I know? Oh, I guess not if it isn't coming off easily. I don't know. I don't understand. I don't know. Like, should I take this off? I mean, if you guys can see it's like really big. I feel like I could just take it off. But being that it isn't coming off easily, maybe it's not ready. So, I don't know how that works. I'm gonna look it up, see when I'm supposed to pick squash. What's this one? Oh, this is zucchini as well. A little ants are in there. Zucchini, cucumbers. I'm about to go fill those other leaves. Oh, I should fill these ones right here to see if they are cucumbers. I feel like these are cucumbers since they're growing up. Yeah, these are cucumbers. Remember, for the longest, I didn't know what these were. These are cucumbers. I already know that's squash. And which other one? So this got to be cucumbers as well. Let me see what this one over here feels like. Oh, I already knew this was cucumbers because it's in there. But yeah, everything is doing so well. Okay, this one is on the struggle bus, but it's okay. I'm gonna let you do you. I got more tomatoes coming in. I'm so excited about this growing season. Like, I feel so much better now. This beet is beaten. Okay, come through beet. Is this supposed to be covered up though? Oh, why did I do that? Bruh. Is this supposed to be covered up? Or should I pull it up? I don't know. What is this? Oh, this is a squash or zucchini. But anyways, you guys, I'm about to go home and fill up these grow bags. And then I will be back and doing stuff. I don't remember what type of tomato these are. I think I said that in my last video. Oh, yeah, I forgot I put them down here. They are Sweet 100 Cherry. Okay. And I lost the tag to this one, so I don't know what that one is. This one is Sweet 100, and then this is Marion. I think this one over here, where'd it go? This one right here was called like Big Boy or something like that. I honestly cannot remember. Now I'm thinking like, hey, should I leave these? Because something's eating them, right? I just better not have none of those dang on green horn thingies, because I will be plucking them off. I won't kill them, but I will take them off. Now, if I had chickens, then I would give them to the chickens. It's like the circle of life. But yeah, let me go ahead and head on home because we do have somewhere to be at 1 o'clock later today. And I think right now it's like 9 o'clock-ish. Not sure. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. So I'm back at home and look at this bug. Is that a grasshopper? It's so tiny. I never saw such a small grasshopper. Spiders. I don't do spiders. But yeah. I just pulled these out. I don't know what this is. I'm not even gonna lie, because we were trying to compost stuff and this just ended up growing. So I'm gonna save the seeds and see what I get, because I honestly don't know what it is. But yeah, all I'm about to do is get the soil. I need this. Get the soil from out of these raised beds and take it back to my sister's house. What I'm gonna do with my green onions, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to eat them. I don't know if I can replant them. These ones are tiny. Oh, well, I guess I gotta eat that one. This one's like nothing. I'm gonna put it over here. I love green onions. I'm trying not to do anything to our little buddy right here, but he just chilling. I don't know what this stuff is either, but we're gonna pull it up. I think this was a green onion. Yeah. Just pull this stuff up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get all of this stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna set you guys up. I doubt it, but I'll show you guys at the end what everything looks like, because I'm about to be struggling with my hand wrap. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I wanted to show you guys how nice this soil looks. I forgot my gloves. I took all of my gloves to my sister's house. So yep, the soil looks very, very nice. So now I'm about to amend it. Of course, I'm not going to show you guys, but you know. All right, so I ended up with 10 bags. I have amended them throughout the bag. So there's layers of compost, vermiculite, what's the other one? Perlite, and did I say worm castings? I'm sorry, worm castings, vermiculite, perlite, and just food, plant food. So it's throughout it, and I'm just finishing up, mixing up the top layer. Then I'm going to put these into my car and go back over to my sister's house and try to up pot stuff. I think it might be 11 o'clock. If it's 11 o'clock, then I won't up pot anything. I just have to come back later, more than likely in the rain. But if that's the case, I'll just do it inside of the greenhouse. Because I have a greenhouse, you guys. I forgot. I can like do stuff inside of the greenhouse. But yeah, like I said, I got 2 bags, not 2 bags, but 10 bags mixed with soil, worm castings, vermiculite, perlite, and plant food. So I am about to just finish this and go head over. I'm gonna check the time though, see if I can actually go to my sister's house. Maybe I'll just go drop these off and then I won't. Actually, this soil is really nice because I never really used these raised beds ever since I moved over to my sister's house. I stopped using the raised beds and I just been throwing like all of our scraps in there, and so it's like super nice. This has a stick in it, but I'm not taking it out. I don't have any gloves, so I'm not touching it. You guys know I have ADD, adult ADD, so I don't know what I was just saying before I started talking about that. So yeah, sorry about that. Anyways, you guys, I'm about to just finish this up and then head on back to my sister's house. Hopefully, we'll see. All right, so I made it back to my sister's house, but I don't have time to actually up pot this stuff. So I just put everything in here. Again, I have 10 bags. Have marigolds, more tomatoes. I got more squash. I did not even know that. I thought I had, oh, what's this? Watermelon. Wait a minute. Oh, no. I thought I had, I don't know why I thought I had, oh, what is it called? Okra. I don't know what happened to my okra plant because I do not remember up potting it. Huh. Maybe something stole it. I don't know. But yeah, I don't see my okra plant. That's odd. Well, I thought I had okra, but I guess I don't because I don't know what happened to the plant. And I honestly do not recall up potting it. So I'm assuming that something got it and took it away. I'm assuming, I don't know because I don't know where it is. I'm looking at everything because I'm like, those are all peppers. I know that for sure. Yeah, like it's missing. It's just missing in action. What the heck? That is so weird. I have not the slightest idea where it is. I'm just gonna have to assume that something took it because yeah, I do not see it. Huh, that's so weird. Oh wait, bruh, I thought those were tomatoes. Listen, I thought these were tomatoes because of the red. I literally didn't read it. I just looked at the red. This is the okra. Got me walking around like a crazy person. Anyways, I'll be back later to up pot all of these. Some of them may not get up potted. Oh no, I forgot I do have those. So everything should get up potted because I have these to empty out. And I'm gonna just mix them in this raised bed. I need to get a sifter because you guys see all those sticks in there? What the heck? I need a sifter. Anyways, I need to go home and get dressed. And I will be back later. Hopefully, more than likely in the greenhouse. I'm actually going to pick this. The internet said I can pick it when it's like 4 to 7 inches, so that's what I'm about to do. Yay, how exciting, my first squash, yay!